As you prepare to finalize and submit your consulting project, let's review how your work will be assessed, what your objective has been throughout, and what takeaways will help you successfully close out this experience. Grading rubric. Your case study will be graded based on several core components. QuickBooks online setup and customization. Did your team structure QBO accurately to reflect Dale Lewis's business model? Was the chart of accounts, client, vendor list, and services list appropriately set up? Transaction entry and adjusting entries. Are all transactions recorded correctly between July 2022 and the present? Were the required adjusting entries, including supplies, insurance, and depreciation, entered with proper documentation and logic? Financial reports. Were the 4 required financial reports, adjusted trial balance, profit and loss, balance sheet, and statement of cash flows, completed and accurate? Do they reflect a clean and professional financial picture? Advisory analysis and recommendations. Does your advisory report or presentation clearly summarize the client's financial situation? Are your recommendations practical, aligned with the business, and easy for Dale to implement? Final presentation. Did your team clearly communicate your process, findings, and advice in a professional manner? Was each team member involved and prepared? Grading will also take into account teamwork, attention to detail, and overall presentation quality. Your goal. From the very beginning of this project, your goal has been to serve as a QuickBooks consultant working for cut-to-the-chase bookkeeping, supporting a real client scenario. Your objective was to onboard and assess Dale Lewis's business setup and configure a custom QBO system, record, reconcile, and adjust financial activity, generate accurate, meaningful financial reports, deliver insight and practical recommendations to your client. This wasn't just an exercise, it was a simulation of real consulting work. Everything you produced needed to be clear, complete, and client-ready. Final advice. Before you present your work, take a moment to reflect on what this project has required from you. You had to interpret unclear documents and make sense of real-world messiness. You had to work as a team, sometimes virtually, sometimes in person, and communicate your way through challenges. You had to connect each phase of the project, ensuring your decisions in one area didn't cause issues in the next. You had to think like a professional, not just about what needed to be done, but how and why. Here's my advice as you wrap up. Review everything one more time. The reports, the setup, the adjusting entries. Make sure nothing is missing. In your presentation, explain your choices clearly. Not just what you did, but why you did it. Anticipate the client's perspective. Keep your language clear and your recommendations focused on action. And finally, show confidence in your work. You've done the research, made the decisions, and now it's time to share the results. This project has been your opportunity to experience the full process of supporting a business as a bookkeeping professional. Use this experience to fuel your growth. My name is Talia, your virtual accounting information systems consultant, and I've been honored to guide you through this journey. If you have any questions or need support, be sure to reach out to your instructor, Ty Green. He's here to help you succeed. You've done the work. Now finish strong.